Working on two bicycles today. Got this GT mountain bike, old school. It's got two flat tires, so I'm gonna replace two flats and tune it up. These are 26-inch wheels. Pretty very common tires. I'd say that they're the most common size on bicycles, regular bicycles. They're still out there. And they got the V-brake pads, V-brakes right here, traditional. Okay. Got this other bicycle. I gotta tune up, adjust the shifting on it. So yeah, pretty cool bike. Let's get it done. 8-speed Shimano shifters right here.